This Animals theme foil art book is such a fun and creative activity and a wonderful gift for kids who love animals and enjoy hands-on crafts. It includes everything kids need to create bright, colorful, and shiny artwork, including foil sheets, an 8-color crayon, and a wooden stick. The animal designs are adorable and full of playful details that children enjoy. The pages feature koala, bunny, lion, giraffe, monkey, tiger, and many other cute animal illustrations. The foil art process is simple and easy to use. Just peel the white sticker, place the foil on top, press gently, and use the wooden stylus to trace around the edges so the shiny foil attaches smoothly and evenly before lifting to reveal sparkling designs. The set includes a wide variety of colorful foil sheets, allowing kids to mix and match colors to create unique and shiny pictures. Watching the bright foil appear on the page feels exciting and magical for children. The coloring pages are a fun extra activity that works well with crayons, colored pencils, markers, or paints. The paper is sturdy and smooth, so colors look bright and neat. Kids enjoy choosing different foil colors for each animal and seeing how every picture turns bright and eye-catching. They feel proud of their finished artwork and love showing their colorful creations to family and friends. Parents appreciate how this activity keeps children engaged in a creative and hands-on learning experience. It helps improve focus, imagination, hand-eye coordination, and color recognition while encouraging artistic expression. The set is perfect for home, travel, classrooms, parties, or quiet time activities. Kids can happily stay busy for hours creating sparkling pictures and decorating each page. The shiny effects make the animals look lively and fun. Children love watching their artwork slowly come to life as more sparkling colors appear on the page. Every finished picture looks colorful, creative, and full of playful details. Each kit makes 16 sparkling artworks, making it great for sharing with friends and family. It also works wonderfully as party favors, classroom gifts, birthday surprises, or holiday activities. Every finished artwork looks bright, colorful, and full of beautiful details. Overall, this Animals theme foil art craft set is a wonderful way for kids to enjoy hands-on creativity while making adorable animal artwork. I would definitely recommend it as a fun, engaging, and creative craft activity that keeps children entertained, inspires imagination, and lets them create sparkling artwork they can truly feel proud of.